Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on the post notifications so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really easy, bold, graphic eyeshadow look. So it took me like 5 minutes. This video is super short. I'm also very sick, so please excuse the way that I look. My skin is giving me problems. Anyway, the first thing that we're going to go in with is this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Alabaster, and I'm using this really small concealer brush, and I'm going to go ahead and outline the wing lid shape. So this is kind of like a cut crease, except for there's only one color and everything is just really simple. So I'm just outlining the wing and my whole entire lid, and I'm following my natural crease, and I'm actually taking it a little bit higher just so that you can see the end of it at the top when I do open my eyes, and then I'm also winging it out. Then I'm just filling in everything with concealer, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side. So this is super easy to work with and easy if you do make a mistake because it's just concealer. You can go ahead and wipe it off. And the key is to make it look as symmetrical as possible. So like I said, I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and I'm following my natural crease, and then I'm just creating the wing like I normally do. Then I'm just filling it in with the concealer on the brush. So after I fill everything in, it does look a little bit patchy with the concealer just using the brush, so I do have to go in with a different brush just to make sure that everything is really smooth and even and is a nice base for the eyeshadow. So for this, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques brush, and this is more of like a really small kabuki brush, and I'm just packing the concealer on and just making sure that it's really smooth and even so the eyeshadow application does not come out patchy. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Then I'm going to go ahead in with this really small shader brush. This is what it looks like after I pack. So this is the shader brush. It's really small, and it allows me to pick up a lot of pigment and place it in a really small, precise area. So I'm just going to be packing it onto the concealer, and I'm trying to make sure that I get an even consistency and an even payoff throughout the whole entire concealer space. So I'm just going back and forth through picking it up and then packing it on. Then when I get more toward the crease area, I'm using windshield wiper motion just to make sure that I don't get any shadow above where the crease in the concealer is. But if you do, it doesn't matter because you don't really see it. And I'm just making sure that I get every single corner and inch of the concealer that I outlined. And then I did have some fallout, so I'm just taking my powder brush and just brushing it away. Then the last step is to go in with some concealer. This is my LA Girl Pro concealer. This shade matches my skin tone really well, and it just allows me to clean up the outer corners just to make sure that everything looks nice and sharp, and the wing is symmetrical and clean. And then I go in with mascara. So I actually don't mind the way this looks with mascara only, but if you want to go ahead and pop on some lashes, I did that as well. I actually didn't really glue them on, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with lashes on. So this is the illusion here. So this is basically it. This was really quick. It took me like 5 minutes to do. I really like how it came out. It was super quick, super easy. It is really bold, and you can do this with any color that you want. So that was it for today's video. Someone did actually request this, so if you guys have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!